Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. A warmly welcome to you all in your new class. Now here I am Miss Neda, class teacher of class 3. I will teach you math. Due to COVID-19, we will start our online classes on WhatsApp. Before starting your homework, you must follow the instruction. Number 1. Complete the numbering in all copies. Number 2. Make a proper index in your copies. Number 3. Margin should be straight. Number 4. Make a tidy title page of month of June or July. Number 4. Make a tidy title page of following chapter. Number 5. First letter should be capital and end at full stop. Number 6. Writing should be neat and clean, whether you have written English and Urdu. Number 8. Don't forget to leave one finger gap in all copies. If you have any problem or difficulties regarding to homework, then ask me on WhatsApp. I inform to all parents and students that you must cooperate with us and follow these instructions. Thank you. Welcome to your new class. This is your new countdown book 2. Here is your homework assignment of class 2. This is your homework. All your homework you will done in your homework copy with neat and clean handwriting and with the help of your parents. First question of your homework is at page number 11. Now question number 1. What number does each abacus show? Here is the abacus. Abacus has 3 columns, 100, tens and ones. 1-digit number is ones, 2-digit number is tens and 3-digit number is hundreds. All these column has colorful beads, that is blue color beads show hundreds, green color beads show tens and red color beads show ones. I will explain in you another copy. Let's suppose I make abacus in copy. These have 100, tens and ones. 100 column, let's suppose 100 column has 5 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 column is 2 beads, 1, 2. Ones column is 4 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me count all these beads. 100 column is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 column is 1, 2, or ones column is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the answer of your question. Now here is all question you have done in your copy. You can solve this question in your copy. Draw abacus in your copy with colorful beads and neat and clean. First write question at the header of the copy and draw abacus with 100, tens and ones column with colorful beads and solve the question in your copy. Now question number 2 of your homework is draw beads on the abacus. That is in page number 11. This is the abacus and this is the number. You can solve this number You can see now the number and you can draw beads in the abacus. Let's suppose $672 is a number. How can we solve? We draw abacus. First column is 100, second column is 10, and third column is 1. 100, tens and ones. This is the number 672. In 100 column, draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 10 column, we can draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 1's column, draw 2 beads. 1, 2. This is the answer. You can solve this question in your notebook. Draw abacus and draw a beads in your abacus. This is the number. You can see this number and draw a beads in the abacus. Now question number 3 of your homework is write 100, tens and ones. How can we write 100, tens and 1 in answer? Let's suppose 278 is a number. How can we solve this question? This is the place value of 100. This is the place value of tens. This is the place value of ones. 100, tens and ones. How can we solve? 2 hundreds, seven tens, eight ones. This is the answer. 2 is the place value of 100, 7 is the place value of tens, 8 is the place value of ones. Now you can easily solve this question. 351, 300, 5 tens and 1 ones, 693, 6 tens, 9 tens, 600, 9 tens and 3 ones, and so on. Now question number 4 is write greater than or less than in the boxes. Greater than and less than symbol can be used to compare. Greater than and less than symbol can be used to compare numbers and expression. The greater than symbol is this and the less than symbol is this. Let's suppose you have two numbers. $136 and 248. Now this is your question. How can we solve? Which is greater than and which is smaller? The left number has 1 in 100. And the right number has 2 in 100 column. Which is greater than or which is smaller? 1 is less than 2. We can read as 1 is less than 2. Now we can solve easily that 136 and 248 symbol is 136 is less than 248. Now this is your answer. Now you can solve this question in your copy with greater than and less than sign. Compare the number which is greater or which is smaller. Now question number 5 of your homework is write the number name. We can solve this question by spelling. Let's suppose the number is 128. How can we solve this? The place value of 1 is 100, 2 is 10 and 8 is ones. That is 100 plus 20 plus 8. We can write this in words. How can we write this in words? 1 100 and 28. This is the answer. Now another question in your book you can solve in your copy. 209. 2 is the place value of 100, 0 is the place value of tens, 9 is the place value of ones. How can we solve this question? We can solve in copy. We can explain this. 209. How can we solve? 2 hundreds and 9. This is the answer. Now you can solve this question in your notebook with neat and clean writing. Question number 6 is write the number. This is the question. 362, 507, 420. Let's suppose 362. How can we solve this question? As you know that 362, 3 is the place value of 100 and 62, 60 is the place value of tens and 2 is the place value of ones. So 362. This is the answer. Now last question of your homework is write in numbers. Write in numbers. 200, 6 tens, 4 ones. जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को सबसे पहले जो क्वेश्चंस आपको करवाए थे, जो मैंने आपको पहले समझाया था, क्वेश्चन राइट इन 100 टेंस एंड वन, जो कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में आप लोगों ने किया था, बिल्कुल उसी तरह है, बट आप लोगों को इसमें 100 टेंस और वंस अलग अलग करके नंबर्स में लिखना है. हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व दिस? Question number 7. 2 hundreds, 6 tens, 4 ones. We can join this number 200 and 64. This is the answer. All your homework you can done in your copy with the help of your parents with neat and clean writing. Thank you.